Yo, what's up everyone? It's Ranvijay and we're diving deep into the world of IT automation. Now, this isn't just about making computers do our work for us, it's about doing it faster, smoother and smarter than ever before. IT automation is evolving at a crazy pace and there's one name that keeps popping up, BestDevOps. But what is it and why should you even care? Well, imagine a world where software updates happen in the blink of an eye, where websites never go down, and where security is so tight even the sneakiest hackers wouldn't stand a chance. That's the promise of BestDevOps. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how BestDevOps is changing the game for software development, deployment, and basically everything IT. We'll look at real-world examples, the tech behind it, and why this isn't just some futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. Okay, so let's get this straight. BestDevOps isn't just another buzzword or some passing trend, it's a complete overhaul of how we think about it. It's like taking the best practices of DevOps, that whole collaboration and automation thing, and injecting it with a superdose of AI and cutting-edge tech. We're talking about streamlining workflows, from the moment a developer writes a line of code to the second it goes live for millions of users. Think about it like this. Remember when you had to manually update your phone's software and it took forever? BestDevOps is like having your phone automatically download and install updates in the background without you even noticing. It's about making it processes so smooth they practically disappear. In today's digital world, everything is about speed. Websites need to load in milliseconds, apps need to update constantly, and businesses need to adapt faster than ever. But speed isn't enough, it's got to be secure. We've all heard horror stories of data breaches and hacks, right? BestDevOps tackles this head-on with a security-first approach, building in safeguards at every step of the process. And then there's efficiency, wasting time on manual tasks, dealing with errors, and constantly putting out fires. That's just not sustainable. BestDevOps aims to eliminate those bottlenecks, automate repetitive tasks, and free up IT teams to focus on the big picture. It's about working smarter, not harder. Now, this is where things get really interesting. BestDevOps leverages the power of AI and machine learning to take automation to a whole new level. Imagine an IT system that can predict potential issues before they even happen, like some kind of tech psychic. We're talking about analyzing massive amounts of data, identifying patterns, and proactively addressing problems before they cause any downtime or headaches. It's like having a personal assistant for your entire IT infrastructure, constantly monitoring, optimizing, and making sure everything runs smoothly. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about giving them the tools and insights to be even more effective. Remember the days of having to buy and maintain tons of physical servers? Yeah, those days are fading fast. BestDevOps embraces cloud-native and serverless technologies, which means your IT infrastructure can scale up or down on demand. Just like your Netflix subscription. Need more power for a big product launch? No problem, the cloud's got you covered. This kind of flexibility is a game changer, especially for businesses that are growing rapidly or have unpredictable workloads. It's about paying for what you use, getting rid of the limitations of physical hardware, and focusing on what really matters, building awesome products and services. Okay, let's talk about speed. In the world of software development, getting new features and updates into the hands of users quickly is crucial. That's where CI/CD pipelines come in. Continuous integration and continuous delivery. Think of it like an automated assembly line for software, where code is constantly being tested, integrated, and deployed with minimal human intervention. This means faster release cycles, fewer bugs making it into production, and happier customers getting the latest and greatest features as soon as possible. It's about eliminating those long waiting periods, reducing the risk of errors, and keeping your software development process agile and responsive. Security can't be an afterthought. It has to be baked into every single step of the IT process. That's where DevSecOps comes in, integrating security practices right into the heart of DevOps. We're talking about automated security testing, vulnerability scanning, and compliance checks happening continuously throughout the development lifecycle. Imagine having an army of virtual security guards constantly patrolling your systems, looking for any signs of trouble and shutting down threats before they can even get a foothold. That's the power of DevSecOps, a proactive, comprehensive approach to security that keeps your data safe and sound. Okay, let's talk real-world results. We've seen tech companies that were struggling with deployment times measured in weeks completely transform their processes with BestDevOps. Imagine going from deploying new code every few weeks to multiple times a day. That's the kind of speed we're talking about. This means they can get new features and bug fixes out to their users faster, respond to market changes more quickly, and stay ahead of the competition. It's not just about speed for the sake of speed, it's about agility, responsiveness, and being able to deliver value to customers at an unprecedented pace. Case Study 2, e-commerce giants keeping the digital shelves stocked. 24/7. For e-commerce giants, downtime is simply not an option. Every second their website is down means lost sales and frustrated customers. BestDevOps has helped these companies achieve incredible uptime figures, some even boasting 99.99% availability. This is achieved through a combination of AI-powered monitoring, automated failover mechanisms, and a relentless focus on preventing issues before they can even occur. It's like having an invisible safety net that keeps their online operations running smoothly, no matter what. Case Study 3. FinTech automating compliance and security in a regulated world. The financial industry is all about trust and security, which means dealing with a ton of regulations and compliance requirements. BestDevOps has been a game changer for FinTech companies, allowing them to automate many of these compliance and security checks. This means they can ensure they're meeting all the necessary standards while still being able to innovate and deliver new services quickly. It's about finding that sweet spot between security and agility, and BestDevOps is the key to unlocking it. BestDevOps, it's not the future, it's now. So, we've covered a lot of ground here, from the core principles of BestDevOps to real-world examples of how it's transforming businesses. The key takeaway here is this: BestDevOps isn't some distant future tech, it's happening right now. And the companies that embrace it are the ones that are going to thrive in this rapidly evolving digital landscape. Want to bring the power of BestDevOps to your organization? Start by investing in AI-driven DevOps tools like Kubernetes for container orchestration, Terraform for infrastructure as code, and Jenkins for automating your software delivery pipeline. These are just a few examples of the tools that can help you get started on your BestDevOps journey. BestDevOps is about embracing automation, leveraging the power of the cloud, and building a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement. It's not just about keeping the lights on, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with IT and using it as a strategic advantage. It's about staying ahead of the curve, or, as I like to say, staying extra. Peace out.